Hello everybody and welcome. In today's video we're headed to Casper, Wyoming. We're going to check what charging opportunities exist in Casper. So stick around. Just turning into the Tesla supercharger here. It's way over on the east side of town. Wow. Looks like it's biker day here. Wow, that's cool. Anyway, the supercharger is located in the Sinclair parking lot here, right on the other side, and I'll show you where. Right off Interstate 25, makes it easy to get to, just on the east side of town here. Yeah, I'll just park over here and we'll eyeball the chargers here. Located in this parking lot on the end of the superstore here, and they've got a drive-through that runs around, and you can order there. This is an 8-stall version 3. It's been installed now for I think about 6 months. I was here the day of commissioning, and unfortunately I didn't have my Tesla with me, but there's kind of a back end stall and then back in here and then a drive-in. I guess technically they're all back in, but that one's on the side. Anyway, it's easy to get to. And they've got a gigantic fossil fuel station attached to this under the Sinclair Oil name. All right, well, there you go. This is the Tesla supercharger. Let's go check out some other opportunities. All right, I just checked out the Tesla supercharger. It's off at Hat 6 Road on the east side of Interstate 25 before you get into Casper. Let's have a look at some of these other ones and see if they're worthy of stopping. This one is a wall connector. Now, as you recall, it's 120 volts at maybe 12 amps. It's not worth going. However, it's at the Casper Come On In there. Let's look at this guy over here. There's a J1772 at Nissan of Casper, most likely to charge Leafs. We're not going to go see the one at Nissan of Casper. Generally, it's in a maintenance bay located in an area that's difficult to get to, but it is there if you have to stop. See what else we got. At the Ramkota Hotel, there's another 120 volt, about 1200 watt charger. And then there's one here at Hilton Garden Inn. That one is worth seeing. So let's set the directions and head there. We're heading down Interstate 25 here now towards downtown. We're getting close now. We're going to turn on Highway 20 up here and head north a little bit and then get right off. The hotel is quite a ways off the interstate. You get off 25 onto 2026, and then now I'm going back towards the junction here. It's like it's Hotel Row right through here.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the right.
Yeah, what she said. Yeah, it's right there on the right. It's a Hilton Garden Inn, and it's right next to a Hampton. So let's have a look at that. All right, here it is, Hilton Garden Inn. See if we can locate the chargers. They said there is oh, it's right here. How about that? It's right in the corner as you pull in. It's 3 designated spots. There's 2 older wall connectors, and they're usually very good. It's for Tesla. And then we have one here, it's a CCS, and it's a GE charging station, which apparently is out of order. General Electric, if you guys are listening, you guys might want to get this fixed. Let's see, and then another wall connector here. These are older style, and you can tell from the stainless steel outside, but it's okay. They continue to work. Oh wow, no wonder it's out of order. Check this out. I think somebody left it out in the road and maybe broke it. Probably still works though. I don't see any wires or anything weird. I bet you it probably still works. So if you come, you can do that. You can also use your own cable apparently here in the middle. All right, well, this is a reasonable charging location. However, it is level 2. Level 2, as you know, is kind of an overnight thing. You really can't travel much with level 2. All right, let's see what else is available here in the Casper, Wyoming area. Well, there you go. Looks like the Hilton Garden Inn is pretty well equipped if you're a Tesla. The CCS is broken. Unfortunately, no CCS charging from the J1772. Let's have a look here. Nope, this is a 120 volt wall plug. It is not any good. Let's zoom back out here, and we can see that in the entire area is what we looked at. Let's have a look now at the entire state of Wyoming. This is my Electrify America app. You can see the border here, and there is only one indicated CCS DC fast charger by Electrify America. In fact, as far as PlugShare knows, this is the only DC fast charger there is. And you can see the status here. I looked earlier today and I noticed that the 150s appeared to be unavailable, and the only ones available are the 350 kilowatt. I don't know if there's a problem. It looks like 2 are busy, so maybe somebody is charging here. Currently, there's only one DC fast charger shown here, and it's located in Gillette. Over here in Rawlins, as we saw in my other video, they're finishing up the 4-stall that will be installed there from Electrify America. So they're getting there. Just at this point in time, if you're expecting DC fast charging for your CCS car, don't go to Wyoming because there's no DC fast charging. A lot of level 2 sprinkled around, but you really can't travel very well with level 2. If you like today's video, go ahead and click the like, hit subscribe, because you know I'd certainly appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in my next videos, and take care.